Tibumana Waterfall. People also call Tibumana Waterfall is twin waterfall because in there have a two waterfall to flow together. But sometimes the one of waterfall stop flow. Sometimes too, one of waterfall flow is sweet and one of waterfall flow is thin. The waterfall have a height about 20 meters and behind of the waterfall have a cave. People in there believe if in the cave the way to the Besaki temple. Tri Temple is located at Manukaya Village, Campak Siring Subdistrict, Gianyar Regency, Bali. This place is located about 40 km from Denpasar city. Firstly, the wellspring emerges from the land is believed that it is the infinite creation. According to the history, that this water source is arranged and sanctified by King Indrajaya Singh Hawarmadewa in the year 882 Saka. He has given the name with Tirtha Ri Air Hampul. The date has loaded in the inspiration that located at Sakena Temple, beside of the above epigraphy data. It is also found the archaeology omission like Colossus Yoni, Arkalayan, Tepasana, and Tir Temple Pool. According to papyrus of Yusana Bali narrated that Tir Temple is created by Batara Indra when bearing arms against Sea King where his place is located in Bedahulu countryside. He is known as a very miraculous King can lose or so suddenly. 3 for he is named by Maya Denawa. Because of its miracle, he becomes the arrogance and expressing himself as a god. Karang Beach. They are located in Banjar Batu Jimbar in Taran village, Sanur, Bali. To get the Karang Beach only takes about 20 minutes with a distance of 7 km drive from the city of Denpasar. On the beach there are many coral to make it easier to remember. Then the beach is called Karang or Coral Beach. Karang Beach with white sand beach has wave or relatively calm. The beach is quite comfortable with a beautiful panorama and the beach there is a lot of coral. What burns gazebo on Karang Beach that can be used as place to sit waiting for the sunrise. In addition, there is a path that is intended for pedestrians and cyclists. Many foreign and domestic tourists come here to enjoy this beach. Activities that can be done at this beach include snorkeling, fishing, sunbathing, and relaxing.